In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an OpenAI API key in just 5 minutes. If you're interested in accessing OpenAI's powerful resources, getting your hands on an API key is the first step. So let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browsing platform you're comfortable with. Make sure your internet connection is strong to avoid any interruptions. Once you have your browser ready, type in the URL for OpenAI's platform and navigate to their website. The OpenAI platform is your gateway to the company's tools and documentation, so it's definitely a web address you'll want to bookmark for future visits. Next, look for the section labeled API Keys. Sometimes websites can be a bit tricky to navigate, but typically you can find this section by searching the toolbar at the top of the page or checking any drop-down menus related to your account settings or dashboard features. Once you've arrived on the API Keys page, you'll see an option that says Create New Secret Key in the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. This button starts the process of generating a new API key, which will serve as your personalized access code to integrate OpenAI services with your projects. Now, you'll be prompted to create a name for your API key. It's a good idea to pick a name that is descriptive and specific so that you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to generate multiple keys in the future. For instance, if you're using it for a web application project, naming it something like Web App API Key could be helpful. After you've settled on a name, click the button that says Create Secret Key. This action will finalize the creation of your API key and it will appear on your screen. It's an exciting step because you're now just about ready to integrate OpenAI's technology into your own applications. Before you move on, make sure you copy the key. This is extremely important because the key is unique and private. Most platforms will also remind you to store it securely because this key grants access to your OpenAI usage and needs to be protected like any sensitive information. You can copy it to a secure digital note or password manager to ensure it's kept safe. And that's it. You've successfully created your OpenAI API key. Be sure to save it safely and use it wisely as you begin using OpenAI tools and services. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial valuable as you embark on your journey with OpenAI. See you next time.